Good morning. It's nice to see you again. I have the results of the genetic test we arranged because both of your parents have hereditary hemochromatosis. I'd like to go through the results with you today and answer any questions you may have.
自從做完個檢查之後，我一直都好驚今日呢個覆診，我真係唔敢相信自己咁唔好彩，竟然爸爸媽媽兩個都有呢個病。
I can understand why you feel that way. The results show that you've inherited 2 altered copies of the HFE gene, which means you do have hereditary hemochromatosis. The positive aspect is that we've identified it early, before we know whether it has caused any significant damage.
我就知道會係咁，我都唔知自己點解仲抱住希望，覺得結果可能會唔同。有啲人繼承到財產，我就繼承咗一個遺傳病。我明明乜都冇做錯，但偏偏要我一世都面對呢個病。
Those feelings are completely understandable. Hereditary hemochromatosis is actually one of the more common inherited genetic conditions we see. Although we can't cure genetic mutation, the good news is that it is highly manageable, especially when it's diagnosed before significant organ damage develops. With regular treatment to control your iron levels and routine monitoring, most people go on to live full, active lives.
如果我爸爸媽媽一早知道屋企有呢個病，或者佢哋根本就唔應該生小朋友，依家反而係我要承受呢個一世都要面對嘅病，就因為佢哋當年嘅決定，我真係覺得好唔公平。
I understand why you're feeling that way. Hereditary hemochromatosis is very different from many other inherited conditions. Symptoms typically don't appear until a person is in their 30s to 60s because it takes decades for excess iron to build up to harmful levels. Early symptoms are also very common and are often mistaken for normal aging or everyday stress. There's a very good chance your parents had no idea they carried the condition when they decided to have children.
繼續糾纏已經冇辦法改變嘅事都冇意思，咁下一步會點？我係唔係要開始食藥？
Medication isn't the first-line treatment for hereditary hemochromatosis. The main goal is to reduce the amount of excess iron in your body, and the most effective way to do that is through a procedure called therapeutic phlebotomy, which involves removing a small amount of blood on a regular basis. We'll talk through exactly how it works and decide on a treatment schedule based on your iron levels.
係咩嚟㗎？係一種手術定係影像檢查？
Not at all. Therapeutic phlebotomy is a simple procedure that's very similar to donating blood. A healthcare professional inserts a needle into a vein in your arm and removes about 450 to 500 milliliters of blood over approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Because iron is stored in your red blood cells, removing blood encourages your body to use up the excess iron to produce new red blood cells, gradually lowering your iron levels to a healthy range.
我真係好驚打針，就算平時抽血驗血，我都會覺得暈，之前仲差啲暈低過，有冇其他方法？
Many people have a fear of needles, and we work with patients like that every day. Our nurses are very experienced at helping anxious patients feel as comfortable as possible, and we can take things slowly, use techniques to reduce discomfort, and make sure you're lying down if you're worried about fainting. While there isn't a medication that can replace therapeutic phlebotomy as the standard treatment, we'll do everything we can to make each session as manageable as possible for you. Therapeutic phlebotomy is the safest, most effective, and most established treatment. There are medications called iron chelators that remove excess iron, but they are generally reserved for people who can't undergo phlebotomy, such as those with certain types of severe anemia. They can also have more side effects and aren't considered the first choice for treating hereditary hemochromatosis. These medications can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, skin rashes, and headaches. More importantly, they can sometimes affect the kidneys and liver, and in rare cases they can even affect hearing or vision, which means patients need regular blood tests and sometimes eye and hearing examinations while taking them. At the moment, there isn't a safer medication that's routinely used to treat hereditary hemochromatosis. Unfortunately, no tablet can remove excess iron as safely and effectively as therapeutic phlebotomy. Researchers have been studying new treatments, but currently phlebotomy remains the gold standard because it's highly effective, has relatively few risks, and avoids the potential side effects associated with iron chelating medications.
就係咁，我只可以接受自己唯一真正可行嘅方法，就係下半世不停俾針吉，真係難以置信。每次我以為呢個診斷已經唔會再差，你又會再講啲我唔想聽嘅嘢。
I know it feels overwhelming, and I'm not expecting you to be okay with it today. This is a lot of information to take in, and you've only just received your diagnosis. My job is to explain the safest treatment available and help you with it. Our priority will be to help you overcome your fear of needles while making each treatment as comfortable and stress-free as possible.
如果我決定唔接受治療呢？如果我又唔想食藥，又克服唔到打針，咁最後會點？
That's your decision to make, and no one can force you to get treatment. However, it's important that you understand the consequences of leaving untreated. Excess iron will continue to build up in your body over time, and that iron can gradually damage organs such as your liver, heart, pancreas, and joints. Without treatment, iron levels usually continue to rise. Over many years, this can lead to complications such as liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, diabetes, heart rhythm problems or heart failure, arthritis, and hormone problems that can affect fertility and sexual function. The good news is that these complications are often preventable if we keep your iron levels under control. If you ignore your health issue now, you could end up dealing with something much worse later. I would much rather help you through a treatment that you find uncomfortable than see you develop complications that could have been prevented. I encourage you to at least try one session. We'll support you throughout the process, and we'll work together to make it as manageable as possible.
我幾耐要做一次放血？唔該你唔好話我要成世每個星期都做一次。
The treatment is divided into two phases, the induction phase and the maintenance phase. During the induction phase, we remove blood more frequently to bring your iron levels down to a healthy range. For many patients, that's about once a week, although some people only need it every 2 weeks depending on their iron levels and overall health.
每個星期一次，聽落真係好似噩夢，要維持幾耐？
It varies from person to person. The induction phase may last anywhere from several months to a year or sometimes longer, depending on how much excess iron has accumulated in your body. We'll monitor your ferritin levels regularly and adjust the schedule as your iron stores decrease. Once your iron levels have reached the target range, you'll move into the maintenance phase. At that point, most people only need therapeutic phlebotomy every 2 to 4 months, although some people need it a little more or less frequently. The schedule is tailored to each individual based on their blood test results. That being said, you won't be coming here every week for the rest of your life. The weekly treatments are only to remove the excess iron that's already built up. Once that's been achieved, the treatments become much less frequent, and many patients find they're able to fit them into their normal routine quite easily.
可唔可以開啲藥俾我？我意思係，有冇啲藥可以喺做治療之前食，令我完全迷迷糊糊，咩都唔理，連支針都唔驚。
We certainly don't want you to feel terrified during treatment, but we also don't want you to be so sedated that it's unsafe. Some people with severe needle anxiety may benefit from a mild anti-anxiety medication taken shortly before the procedure, but would need to assess whether it's appropriate for you based on your medical history, the other medications you take, and whether someone can drive you home afterwards.
即係話，真係有啲藥可以幫到我。我而家唯一食緊嘅藥就係高血壓藥。如果有啲藥可以幫我避免治療嗰陣驚到恐慌發作，我願意試下。
Potentially, yes. Medications such as a low dose of lorazepam are sometimes prescribed for people with severe procedural anxiety. They can help you feel calmer and more relaxed, but they won't make you unconscious, and they are not suitable for everyone because they can cause drowsiness, dizziness, impaired coordination, and, with repeated use, dependence. We generally use them only occasionally for particularly stressful procedures rather than as a long-term solution.
老實講，如果可以令我捱過第一次治療，而唔使完全崩潰，我願意試下。如果我喺治療之前食咗好似盧拉西泮呢類藥，我之後仲可唔可以自己揸車返屋企？我平時去邊都係自己揸車，而且都冇乜人可以接送我。
Unfortunately, no. Lorazepam can make you drowsy, slow your reaction time, and affect your judgment, even if you don't feel particularly sleepy. For your safety, you shouldn't drive or operate machinery after taking it. If we decide that medication is the best option for your first treatment, I'd recommend asking a family member or friend to bring you to the appointment and take you home afterwards, or alternatively arranging a taxi or another form of transport.
又多一樣麻煩嘢，呢個診斷真係越嚟越好啦。
I know it feels that way right now. My hope is that this would only be for your first session or perhaps the first couple of sessions if needed. As you become more familiar with the procedure and your confidence grows, many patients find they no longer need medication beforehand and are able to attend their appointments independently. Let's see how severe your anxiety is, and if I feel it's appropriate, we can consider prescribing a single dose for your first treatment. At the same time, our nurses will use techniques to help keep you comfortable, and many patients find that after their first successful session, they no longer need medication for future treatments.
我第一次治療會係幾時？係下個月先開始定係要早啲？
I'd like to schedule your first therapeutic phlebotomy session within the next 1 to 2 weeks. That gives you enough time to arrange transport if we decide to prescribe an anti-anxiety medication, and also gives you a chance to prepare yourself mentally.
我唔可以話自己好期待，不過我諗一路拖落去，都唔會令件事變得容易啲。
At your last appointment, you mentioned that you'd been feeling exhausted most of the time. You also described aching pain in your hands, particularly around your knuckles, and stiffness in your knees. How have those symptoms been since we last spoke?
都係差唔多。我依然成日都好攰，就算瞓得好都冇精神。每日朝早起身，雙手都好僵硬，而膝頭哥只要企耐少少就開始痛。我成日都希望有一日瞓醒會好返啲，但好似一直都冇發生過。
Therapeutic phlebotomy works gradually by removing excess iron from your body over time. Many patients begin to notice an improvement in their energy levels after several treatment sessions, but everyone's response is different. We'll monitor your symptoms alongside your blood tests and adjust your treatment as needed. I look forward to seeing how you're doing after your first session. Have you experienced any recent weight loss, fevers, night sweats, or frequent infections?
冇，呢啲都冇，我體重都冇乜點變，而且我平時都唔係好容易病，最困擾我嘅始終都係成日攰同埋關節一直隱隱作痛。
I know today has been a lot to take in, but remember, you're not facing this alone. If you have any questions or concerns before your first treatment, please don't hesitate to contact the clinic. Otherwise, I'll see you after your first therapeutic phlebotomy session. Take care.
多謝。